students, welcome back once again to the mathematics session. In this session, I am going to discuss with you a super trick to solve any cubic equations. While I have discussed in my previous videos about the quadratic equation, how to crack a quadratic equation using the cross method. Right, those who have not watched it, please do watch those videos. Right, here this cubic equation will be coming our way from the class 8 till our higher studies. Yes, this is not any issue. We can easily solve the cubic equation within few seconds with this super trick. Let's get started. Now I have written a cubic equation here. Right, now in this cubic equation, let us see here, see all the coefficients here. This is the constant, the coefficients. First, what we have to do using this cubic equation, first by hit and trial method, let us check for the factors like this. So let us substitute in place of x these and see that by the hit and trial method. Okay, now I'll substitute minus 1 into here, into the equation. So in the place of x, minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 again. So that comes to minus 2, right? If I take this, minus 2 plus minus 1 whole square plus 1, right? Minus 1 into minus 5 comes to plus 5 and plus 2. So this, if you add them, that doesn't give us a solution. That means 0. So let us try for this one. This hasn't worked out. So let's see for the next one. So 1, let us substitute. So it comes to 2. If you substitute 1 square is 1, minus 5 plus 2. So see here, 2 plus 3, so 5 minus 5. So this comes to 0. That means plus 1 is a factor. So let's take that 1. We will start with 1, x equal to 1. Okay, so let me write the coefficients first. Just the coefficients here, 2, 1, minus 5 and the constant here. Now what we have to do, just drop the first one as it is. Now diagonally multiply it. Right, 1 into 2 comes to 2 here. So that comes to 3. Again multiply it diagonally. So that comes to 3. So minus 2 you get. Again multiply diagonally. You get minus 2. So minus 2 is 0. Obviously you will be getting 0 because we got 1 as the factor. So that if you are substituting, you will be getting 0. Now this forms a quadratic equation. As you know, this is 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Right. So this. Now how to solve the quadratic equation? I have given a super trick. Just go and click the I button. You will get notified. That is the crisscross method. Yeah, super trick. How to solve a quadratic equation. That trick we will use. Now here these two we were using. So let's write the factors. Let me take 1 and 2 here. Let me take 2 and 1 here. If this doesn't work out, just flip it 1 and 2. Right. Now here this is the cross method. This here 1. This is 1x, 2x. So this is cross method. 2 2 is 4. Sorry, here 4x. Here 1x. Now how much? So what we have to add or subtract 4x, 1x. The middle term should be 3x. So that is, so if you subtract, you get 3x plus 3x. So this is plus. So this is minus. That is x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 are the factors for this quadratic. But we have also x is equal to 1 means x minus 1. So the factors are, the total factors of the cubic equation are this. So within few seconds you can solve any cubic equation within minutes. Okay, please make a note here. Let's see the next. Let's see this cubic here. Let's do the hit and trial method. Minus 1, 1, minus 2 and 2. Let's substitute which works out well. With the help of that we will find the other factors. Now I'll substitute minus 1 first. Minus 1 whole cube, so minus 6 here. So minus 5 here. Minus into minus plus 17 plus 6. Okay, This doesn't go. This doesn't gives us 0. So let me take, so this doesn't work out. Let me take 1. So 1 means 6 here, minus 5, minus 17. Yes, plus 6. So this also doesn't go here, 6, 12. So we don't get 0. So let us see for minus 2. Okay, minus 2 whole cube is minus 8. 8 6 are 48. So here minus 2 whole cube 4. 4 5 is 20. So minus 20 minus 2 into, so that gives to plus minus 2 minus 17 plus 34 plus 6. So this comes to 40. This is, so that doesn't work out. So let's see for the 2. 2, 8 means 48. So minus 20 you get here. So minus 34 you get plus 6. So this will go, I think, see here, 54 and plus 54. So this works out. So plus 2 is the factor. So we will take x is equal to 2. That means 2. With the 2 we have to start. Let's write the coefficients and the constant, last one, along with the signs, symbols. Let's drop the first one as it is. 6 1, 6 as it is, and diagonally you have to multiply. 6 2s 12. So this comes to 7. So again multiply. 7 2s 14. So this comes to minus 2. Again multiply. Minus 2 into gives to minus 6. So obviously we get 0 plus 0. So this is 6x square plus 7x minus 3 is the quadratic equation. Here we have to use the cross method. That is, for 6 let me take 2 and 3. Okay, if these doesn't work out, we have to use the other one. And for 3 let me take 3 and 1. Okay, so if it is 9 and 2, so we got 7 in the center. So likewise you have to take. So this is x. Let us apply the cross. So this comes to 9x, 2x to get 7x. This should be plus, this should be minus. So that means 2x plus 3, 3x minus 1 are the factors. And we have another factor, that is x is equal to 2 means x minus 2. So these are the factors of the cubic equation, right? Now let's see the next one. So we will substitute the same here. 1. Let us check for 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, isn't it? So 1. So 1 means 1 minus 1 square is 3 plus 5 minus 3. So this goes out. So this comes to 0. So 1 only we got directly. Right. So 1 is the factor. X is equal to 1. Let's start with 1. So 1 minus 3, 5 and minus. Right. Isn't it? So let's drop the first one as it is. 1. Diagonally multiply. So you get minus 2. Diagonally multiply. You get here. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So 3 into 1 is 3. So minus and plus 0. So here that is x square minus 2x plus 3. Now we'll apply the cross method. So 1 and 1 let me take here. If I take 1 and 3, if doesn't work out, 3 and 1, that's all. Here this is x. So if you cross it, you get x, 1x, 3x, isn't it? Multiplying, cross multiplying. So I want minus 2x. So the minus should be for the bigger number. So here minus, here plus. Simply. That means x plus 1 and x minus 3 are the factors. But we have another factor, that is x is equal to 1 is x minus 1. Okay. This is x plus 1. This is x minus 3 and x minus 1. So all these are the factors of this cubic equation. So for the illustration part, I am making it slow, but when you do it, actually it will take few seconds, not more than 6 to 7 seconds to solve any cubic equation. Please make a note. Let's see few more problems. So see here, another cubic I've written. Now let us check for plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2. Okay, hit and trial method. Now here 1, I'll substitute 1 first. So 1 cube 1 minus 7 plus 4 plus 12. So this doesn't work out. So let's see minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. minus 1 whole square plus 1 into minus 7. So minus 4 plus 12. So this is minus 12 plus 12. So minus 1 is the factor. Okay. Let's start with x is equal to minus 1. So with the minus 1, 1. Let me write the coefficients and the constant 4 and the last constant as it is along with the constant. So let's drop the first one as it is, right? So 1 diagonally multiply minus 1, 1 is minus 1 here, right? So minus 7 here, it comes to minus 8. Minus 8 minus 1 gives plus 8. So plus 8, so 12 here. If you add 12 into minus 1, minus 12. So at the end you obviously get 0 because this is the factor. We have proved that we got it from the hit and trial method. So we get 0 and we get a quadratic equation. So this is x square minus 8x plus 12. So let us do the crisscross method. So for 1 and 1 I'll take 1. For if you see 12, we can take 3 and 4, 6 and 2, 12 and 1 also. But the center one is 8, isn't it? So that you have to keep in mind. So if you take 2 and 6, let us try for 2 and 6. If it doesn't work, let us flip it. Okay. So cross multiply. Now this comes to 6x and this comes to 2. So 2x and 6x. We got negative signs we can keep because it is, so both negative we have to take because this is minus 8x. So this comes to x minus 2 and this is x minus 6. But we have another one, that is x is equal to minus 1. We got it already. That is, if you shift this one to this side, it comes to x plus 1. So the factors are x minus 2, x minus 6 and x plus 1. So as simple as this, you can solve any cubic equation. It is not a pain in the neck anymore. From middle school to the high school, easily you can get through the cubic equations with this simple trick. Just even the crisscross method, you just watch the method which I had explained in the quadratic crisscross method. Just go through that video and you will be perfect with the crisscross method. So like this, we can easily solve any cubic equations. We will see in our next video with a new technique. Thank you all.